Kumusta? Magandang araw. Ako si Reymund and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time to watch this video or visit my channel, I do upload a new Tagalog content every week, so you might want to click subscribe. Our lesson for today is how to say happy birthday in Tagalog. How do we say happy birthday in Tagalog? That is maligayang kaarawan po. When we say maligaya, that means happy, maligaya. And then kaarawan is birthday. And then of course, we have the word po as our polite word. It's a word that we add to make things more polite. So we have maligayang kaarawan po. Maligayang kaarawan po. So that's happy birthday, maligayang kaarawan po. So you can say maligayang kaarawan Maria if the name of that person is Maria. You can also say maligayang kaarawan Tita Clara. Let's say you're greeting your Tita Clara on her birthday. So you just say maligayang kaarawan po Tita Clara. Next is we also have maligayang bati po. So it also means happy birthday. We have maligayang bati po. Maligayang bati po. Maligayang bati po. Okay, third, we also have the word. Third, you can also say happy birthday. Happy birthday. So happy birthday, as you can notice, the spelling is kind of like similar with English. It's Tagalized. So we have happy birthday po. Happy birthday po. So there are three ways on how you can greet someone on their birthday. You can say maligayang kaarawan po, maligayang bati po, or happy birthday po. You can also say the English word, which is happy birthday. All you have to do is to kind of like add the word po at the end. So you say happy birthday po. Happy birthday po. So we have here the following phrases and terms when it comes to birthday celebrations. So to make things more personal, you can add the name of that person. You can say maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Maria. When we say sa'yo, this is the contraction of sa iyo. So this is your contraction of sa iyo, so sa'yo. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Maria. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Clara. Maligayang kaarawan, Nanay Clara. So you can like say maligayang kaarawan, Pedro. Maligayang kaarawan, Juan. Maligayang kaarawan, Tita Josefa. Something like that. Of course, we always like to hear. We always love listening to our names, which is the reason why when you greet someone, it's always advisable to add their name at the end. Okay, so that's maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Happy birthday to you, Maria. Okay, so happy birthday to you, Maria. That is how it translates in English. Next, if you want to be specific, like it's Maria's 10th birthday. So you say maligayang ika-10 kaarawan sa'yo, Maria. So we learned that when we say 10, that means 10. Ika-10, that means 10th. Maligayang ika-10 kaarawan sa'yo, Maria. Maligayang ika-10 kaarawan sa'yo, Maria. That means happy 10th birthday to you, Maria. Maligayang ika-10 kaarawan sa'yo, Maria. Maligayang ika-10 kaarawan sa'yo, Clara. Maligayang ika-10 kaarawan sa'yo, Pedro. So that's happy 10th birthday to you, Maria, if you want to be more specific. Next, we also have ano ang gusto mong regalo sa kaarawan mo? Ano ang gusto mong regalo sa kaarawan mo? Ano ang gusto mong regalo sa kaarawan mo? What gift do you want to have on your birthday? Ano ang gusto mong regalo sa kaarawan mo? When we say ano, that's what. Ang is the. Gusto is like. Mo is you. And when we say regalo, that means gift. And on and then kaarawan is birthday and then mo is you. So ano ang gusto mong regalo sa kaarawan mo? Next, we also have saan ang handaan? Where's the party? Saan ang handaan? When we say saan, that means where, and then handaan is the party. So, saan ang handaan? Saan ang handaan? And we also have the next one, may handaan ba? May handaan ba? Is there a party? May handaan ba? Saan ang handaan? May handaan ba? Next phrases and terms we have, kailan ang kaarawan mo? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? That means, when is your birthday? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? Next, we also have ilang taon ka na. That means, how old are you? Ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? Ilang taon ka na? Next, we have hangad ko ang iyong kaligayahan. That means, I wish you happiness. Hangad ko ang iyong kaligayahan. 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 That means I wish you happiness. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Maria. Hangad ko ang iyong kaligayahan. Next, we also have the phrases or the term blow out. When we say blow out, that's to kind of like throw a party. Mag-blow out ka naman, birthday mo. Kaarawan, of course, that's birthday. We also have regalo as what I've mentioned earlier. That's a gift. And then handa is a party food. Blow out, kaarawan, regalo, handa. Blow out, kaarawan, regalo, and handa. Next, we have the word maligaya. That means happy or merry. Maligayang Pasko, maligayang kaarawan, maligayang bati. So when we say maligaya, that means happy or merry. Next is kaarawan. That means birthday. Kaarawan. We also have cake. That is your cake. And then kandila is the candle. So we have maligaya. That's happy or merry. Kaarawan, that means birthday. Cake is cake. And kandila is your candle. Maligaya, kaarawan, cake, kandila. Maligaya, kaarawan, cake, kandila. Once again, let us recall our different greetings when it's somebody's or someone's birthday. Maligayang kaarawan po. Maligayang kaarawan po. Maligayang bati po. Maligayang bati po. And happy birthday po. Maligayang kaarawan po. Maligayang bati po. Happy birthday po. And that's our lesson, which is about how to say happy birthday in Tagalog. Hopefully, you were able to learn something new from our video today. Maraming salamat po. And please don't forget to click subscribe down below. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much. Goodbye and take care.